I am Iris Cole, and I play Gloria in Bastard Son of a Thousand Fathers. Bastard Son of a Thousand Fathers is a crime film. A doctor turned sociopath develops the ultimate drug, which is Bastard Son of a Thousand Fathers. Believe it or not, there's definitely some laughs in there. There's some twists. It's really well written. I play Gloria. She is the first one to try his drug, and Gloria very, very quickly deteriorates. It's very, very different from anything I've ever played before. Super challenging and super rewarding. And it's really fun to see me kind of go into these like dark places. If you love Breaking Bad, which everybody does, and you love Boys in the Hood, which everybody does, you're gonna love this movie. It's quick, fast-paced. It's premiering this Friday. I hope you guys can come out and check it out, and I can't wait to see everybody.